Morning guys! Happy Saturday! So today pala yung ganap namin. Pupunta kami ng Costco at saka DFO Isindanata. So by the way guys, nandito pala yung kuya ko from New Zealand. He's visiting here for 5 to 6 weeks. But ikukwento ko na lang sa inyo next time kung why he's here for that time. But yeah, in another vlog, I'll just tell you that next time. But yung ganap namin, as I said, dadalhin siya namin sa DFO Isindanata because he wants to buy shoes. At yun yung kasi naiwan niya sa New Zealand yung white sneakers niya. So bibili siya noon at saka mag-ikot-ikot na rin kami doon, and then pupunta din kami ng Costco. Bibili lang kami ng bits and pieces na kailangan sa bahay. But yeah, yun yung ganap. And then tonight, we got invited by his friend na malapit lang dito sa amin for dinner. So we're going there tonight. So I will try and vlog doon, daling kayo doon. But hindi ko alam kasi kung mahilig sila ganun. But I will try and just do few clips lang na kaunti. But yeah. So we'll take you first kung saan kami pupunta first mamaya. And then yeah, we'll see you there. Pasok lang kami sa entrance, ang layo ng pinarkingan namin, pero lakad-lakad lang dito na kami guys sa loob. May Michael Kors, may Coach doon. Maliit lang to siya na outlet store, pero maganda din. Okay din. Ito yung mga shop nila dito guys, pero mas marami pa din iba. Maliit lang to siya, DFO Isindanata. Which one?
Measuring the first one down so you
Snake?
I think it's trying to do the heart.
Look, you get it now. There you go. Oh wow, show mommy. Wow, that's beautiful. There's a limp chocolate. Purple? Did you try that, Isaac?
Yeah, they're not like there's like a
Doesn't fit?
otherwise I would get it.
Huh?
If they're on my size.
Ano? Nami ko may party ka.
Pila sa
$35.
plato sa amin. Search ko lang.
Over here lang ga. Ingan. Yeah. Hold it.
Really just doing it for that.
Nandito na kami ngayon kay Kuya Allen. Oh, sarap naman. Chocolate.
So ano ka, Day?
Dala lang.